Miniature circuit breakers, or MCBs, are essential guardians of our electrical systems, protecting against overcurrents and short circuits. Let's dive into their fascinating world. First, we have Type B MCBs, perfect for homes, tripping at 3 to 5 times the rated current, ideal for lighting and heating. Then, Type C MCBs step in for industrial settings, handling those hefty inrush currents from motors and transformers. For heavy-duty applications, Type D MCBs trip at 10 to 20 times the rated current, designed for large motors and welding machines. Don't forget Type K MCBs, which protect sensitive equipment like transformers, and Type Z MCBs, perfect for delicate devices needing quick response to overloads. MCBs come in various configurations too. Single pole for basic circuits, double pole for more power, and 3-pole for industrial machinery. Each type serves a unique purpose, ensuring safety and efficiency in our homes and industries. Understanding these devices is key to a secure electrical setup.